What's up, fellow cremains? Here's how you can get the meat and vegetable porridge recipe in Crimson Desert. Another early game restoration item you need to pick up if you're starting a new playthrough. This porridge heals 320 health and 24 spirit on its base form, but can restore up to 620 health and 54 spirit if you add more ingredients. All tiers come with a level 4 ice resistance for 1 minute. You can get the recipe inside the Castle of Hernand. It's inside the main fortress to the lower right. Just start between the main castle and this well at my waypoint. When you're there, just walk inside the main entrance and keep walking along the hallway until you see the first wooden door to your right. Get inside that door and the recipe will be immediately right in front of you. Read it to learn the contents and you can now cook the meat and vegetable porridge on any cooking pot. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.